We're given a right triangle where the length of the side A is 5, the length of side B is 3. We want to find the length of the hypotenuse and the measures of the two acute angles. Because this is a right triangle, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of the hypotenuse. Recall, the Pythagorean theorem says that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the two legs. So we have c squared equals a squared, which is 5 squared, plus b squared, or 3 squared. 5 squared is 25, 3 squared is 9, 25 plus 9 is 34. Therefore, c is going to be the square root of 34 exactly, or approximately 5.83 if we express the length as a decimal rounded to 2 decimal places. Now we want to find the measure of the angle A and the measure of the angle B. To do this, I'm going to use the fact that the tangent of the angle B is going to equal the length of the opposite side divided by its adjacent. In other words, the tangent of the angle B is equal to the length B, 3, divided by the length A, 5. Or B is the inverse tangent of 3/5. Evaluate this using our calculator, and we get that B is 31.0 degrees. Now that I know the measure of the angle B, I can find the measure of the angle A because the sum of these two angles has to be 90 degrees. Therefore, the measure of the angle A is 90 degrees minus the measure of the angle B, or 90 degrees minus 31.0 degrees, giving me that the measure of the angle A is about 59 degrees.